What's up? It's Big Boss. If you're new to this channel, you know I'm trying to bring y'all music, cologne reviews, men's fashion, men's tips on how to be a better man, unboxing on man products. Let's talk about it. Right now, I have Manscaped Lawn Mower 3.0. Could have got the 4.0, but they didn't have it in Target. Now I need to run and cop this. Beard getting a little too scruffily, my dude, for my, you know what I'm saying, liking. So I had to just go ahead and just cop this one. And I don't think it's too much different from the 4, I don't think so. Manscaped. I'll tell you about the mess while I'm opening this, because it's an unboxing. While I'm taking this little wrapper off, I'll tell y'all that I already had a Manscaped. I had this, the same exact one. Like I had the 3.0 when the 3.0 first came out. Alright. And I had it for about a year, but I dropped it in a tub, and like, yeah, it just stopped working. Well, it ain't even stopped working. Like, it's so funny. Like, I dropped it in the tub water for like 3 days, or like a day or something. I just remember I had went out of town, and I just came back and it was just in the tub. So I don't know how long it been there, but it was so crazy because it kept like vibrating, and then like it'll just turn off. And then like it'll turn back on, and you couldn't, like the button wouldn't work. It'll just turn on random times of the day. Imagine you sleep and you just hear this, and then it'll fall off the desk, and I'll be like, oh, it's on now. And I'll try to hurry and get a little quick shave in, but it kind of kicked the bucket after a week of that. So that's why I said had to cop a new one. I just took a little plastic wrap off. I think this was about like $90 or something. So look, this is the unboxing experience. As you can kind of see, when you open it up, it got the Manscaped kind of like just right there with a with the crop preserver bottle. Y'all can see it's the crop preserver. I'm gonna take this out real quick. Ball deodorant. Did you dig it? I don't even know if I'm using that much. I might though. But y'all know I already got the real stankin' Manscaped cologne. Did a review on it. Tap into the review if you want to know why I said it's stinking. But got me another Manscaped, and it works right out the gate. If I was gonna give a review on it after the whole year, bro, I used it every day. I ain't gonna hold you. And I used to just switch the guards out to shave down there and then shave the beards. I had like a beard, cause you can get replaceable blades. So I used to have blades for the beard. I had to put like a little sticker on it so I can remember. Blade for the beard, braid down there from the balls of my ass. You dig it? You know what I'm saying? I never got nicked. Well, you know, I never got nicked. Yeah, I never got nicked. Never got cut. You can also put a guard on here. I got the guard somewhere in the bedroom from my old one. You can put a guard on here, and you can also give yourself like a little like taper, because you know if you got a guard on it, you can go like whatever that guard length is. Go underneath that, and then go with the bald ones and kind of fade that out. I really love Manscaped. They really knew what they was doing. Underneath this box, oh, they got more stuff. Okay, so I took the little thing out, where they held the ball deodorant and stuff, and they got like this little bag. And I think, yeah, this is the charger docket in here. I already know what that is. And they came with, what is this? Oh, this is a little booklet. And oh, let's get mowing. We got a little tutorial on how to shave right. So that's the Manscaped. I think it's a great value. Best trimmer out there. You don't need to buy the other ones. This is #1. Get it, love it, stay clean. Girls these days love a clean shaven man. Man, stay shaving, man. This is Big Boss. Hope you like the unboxing. Take it easy. Shout out to Manscaped.